scissors and you cut it like this. And you put it on the back like this. And then you take the scissors again and you cut it. And then you put it on the back. Oh wait, hold on. Put it on the back like this. And you cut it again. And you put it on the back like this. And you cut it. And you put it on the back just like this. And you cut this one. And then you put it on the back like this. And you put it right there like this. Press it real good. And then you take your box cutter and you take the little red strip off just like this. And take this one and you do it just like this. And you take this one and you do it just like this.